Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's short video, I just wanna feature the smallest divider I have ever made. Enjoy watching!
날 알아 네가 여기 있어 나를 생각하고 있어 나는 여기 멀리 정말 멀리 네 곁에서 지금 구름 사이를 지나가고 있어 그리움이 강하게 느껴져 많은 건 운이었지 특별한 사람을 만나게 되어서 내가 있는 곳은 여기
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go.